Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reply to a message on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Instagram app. From your Instagram feed, tap the paper airplane icon in the upper right corner of your screen to access messages. Open a conversation and find the message you wish to reply to. Type in your response in the box below. Once you're finished, tap on the send button and your message will be sent to the user. You can also send photos, audio notes, and videos as messages. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video did help you out, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.